I just murdered their ass again, look. Bro, I ain't even naming these shits no more. Fuck it, I'm just going in. I name when I start slowing down. But I said, look. Look how I killed him, man. Again. You know, I was just talking about the film and shit. Like, ain't no people like, how you know you're number one? There's nobody that films like this. I said, look, check this out. I said, I filmed already about an hour and a half, and it's not even 2 p.m. Studios don't film like I do. No, they do a lot of building, setting up, laughing, shit like that. I said, but so do I. I said, thing is, I'm always filming. They stop and start. They keep doing takes over and over and over. Man, all that time I'm filming. You bullshitting. You know what I'm saying? Editing, fuck all that. We filming. There's no way there's nobody that films like this, man. There is no way. There can't be possible. Nobody films like this, man. I might upload 50 videos a day. My volume of work speaks for itself, man.